launch, you're going to leave these on the ground because if you hold them, you can pull the wires out. So what we're going to do when you launch, there's going to be a circle person and a square person. The circle person is going to hold that down. See how that light goes on? That shows you there's a circuit connected, okay? They both have to be down at the same time. So what we're going to say is circles, hold your button down. That's going to make the square one active. When we count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then you push the square button and it should launch. You have to hold it down though. If you just like push it and let it go, it won't go. Got to hold it down for a couple seconds. Okay, so we say circles, light it up, light up. That checks it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the square and it should light and it should go.
See this hole right here? Slide the hole down the pole. The other person pick up the wires that are on the ground. You see these wires? How they clip like this? They're gonna clip one-on-one on each of the little wire tips.
You can do it.
There you go, all the way down. You see those little wire tips down there? One clip goes on each one. Just make sure they don't touch.
Bending? You took off the bending?
No. Clip it on one of each. One here and one here. You should put your finger underneath it. It makes it easier.
Cool. You guys can wait behind the cone.
About to launch rockets, so what do you need over your eyes? Remember, we're not trying to protect your forehead. We want to protect your eyes. Alright, so we're going to have you guys come forward. Take the knee. I want you to figure out who's the circle, who's the square. Okay, circle. You are going to hold down that circle by to the left.